So, I had planned something for my 100 subscribers. I think football is a sport that brings people across the world together. You feel the emotions and you feel the sense of community, the sense of belonging, why humans were built. So, there is a lonely epidemic that's going on planet Earth. We have not yet hit because, Indians, we are not usually no okay with accepting that we are hitting that loneliness epidemic. We saw it on the chat itself, right? कि सब बोल रहे हैं कि मजा आ रहा है साथ में देखने के लिए. That's what humans are meant for. We were never ever meant to live alone. तो इसके लिए for all my first 100 subscribers, whoever I see, so let me just show you what I have planned for. Give me 1 second. I'll bring the bag. So, for all my 100 subscribers, we have a gift for y'all, and I am gonna make this gift. Can you all see it? Can you all see it? Can you all see it? Can you all see it, chat? Can you see the book properly? बाद में मुझे ये नहीं मिलता थंबनेल, तो मैंने सोचा इसके साथ एक स्माइल दे देती हूँ. Yes, chat. Do we see it? So, this book is a shared journal, and this is the book that I have written, and I am gonna give it to any three of my first 100 subscribers who are a part of this journey. And it's available on Amazon and Flipkart, by the way. But this I will courier at your places. So, I will talk more about this book. So, this book is basically a shared journal. What do I mean by shared journal is दो जन मिलके एक book लिखेंगे. So two people come together and you just have to use one book. Two people, one book, and this is what something the book looks like. So there are 30 activities in this book for grown up people like us. Can you see it? There are 30 activities in this book, and then you have to go ahead and fill these activities. So this is backed by neuroscience and psychology, in which after you complete this entire book with the person that you want to complete with, I can assure you all that you will form bonds that you never expected you all to form. तो बाद में ये जो अपन लूका मॉडरिच और रोनाल्डो की फ्रेंडशिप देख रहे हैं 7 साल, there are certain proofs that science has done. What happens is you don't realize when you see the greatest friendships that have existed, they had so many things in common, which will include having a shared goal, understanding that person's perspective. मतलब football में there was such brilliant examples of that happening. For example, let's take the recent example, Luka Modric or Ronaldo ka. They have seen each other ka struggle. They know what it means to be. They know कि 7 साल के बाद वो 4 बार UCL साथ में उठाना, the amount of determination that they went through. So that is a shared goal. That is also one of the activities that's there in the book. There is another as to understanding another person's perspective. So this book was already live in USA and UK, and we have got very good responses with respect to this book. I just launched this book in February in India, and I want to give it away to people who want to cherish their friendships. So this is backed by a Harvard study. So there is a longest study which Harvard has done, and the study speaks about, when you're 80 years old, what is going to matter? It is not going to matter how much successful you are, the amount of money you get, what kind of goal you have achieved or not achieved. What is going to matter is the kind of relationships you have made when you are 80 years old. So if that's the whole point, why are we not investing our time and in fact running towards the loneliness epidemic? Today we have a lot of options. पहले जैसे टीवी नहीं था तो तुम्हें कोई तो चाहिए ही बात करने. उसके बाद we didn't have anything as an entertainment source. We needed people. पर अभी because we are so invested in other people's life, we always have series. We forget that human connection that existed. So that actually makes a difference. So I thought that I will give out these 3 books to any 3 of my first 100 subscribers. If anyone wants to have it, they can please mail me and with their address, and then if there are more mails, I'll just look into it and see what's up. You just have to find one person randomly and request him, her, to go ahead and fill this book. By the way, just one more heads up, iska bhi jitna bhi I have earned, I have given it off to charity. But yes, so I want people to live a more fulfilled life. That has been my aim even before I wrote this book. So there is something called as psychology में बोलते हैं कि just knowing what makes you happy is never ever enough. So you have to put in extra efforts to how to make yourself land in that situations. So eventually I'm gonna build up more on these lines, but we have started with this to kill the loneliness epidemic that may be showing up in India. And that said, yes, that's the second thing that we are celebrating as 100 subscribers. It's called as Together. The book is called Together. It's available on Amazon and Flipkart, by the way. And like even guy, girl, whatever. So anyone wants to, I'll just courier that to your address. So if you all know anyone who needs this book for my first 100 subscribers, we're gonna do this. I'm gonna send over these three books to them. And thank you again. Thank you so much for being a part of this journey of mine for the entire thing. Matlab, I seriously, like, so much love, so much love. Thanks so much. And third thing, I was thinking of doing die die, eco, dialect, eco, something like that.